Hey, what's going on, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Valorant on your secondary hard drive. So there's issues with Valorant where it doesn't really install on a secondary hard drive. It doesn't give you the option. So you can install it. It'll just install it to your C drive. So I'm going to show you how to do this now because that can be quite annoying, obviously. And nobody wants to have these issues. So first thing you need to do is go to the Valorant website, and if you don't have an account, you need to make a Riot Games account on the website. Then you need to click download for the game. If you're on Chrome, it'll just download to your downloads folder. But if you have it set to prompt you where to download it, then it will come up. So download this. Wait for it to be done. It's taking a second. Damn it. And you click on it to run it. It's going to give you the little pop-up. If you can't run it, oh, here, where is it? Here it is. So if it's not there, you can't run it, just go to your downloads folder and run it like that. So, here we are back. So anyways, then we go to install. Now, it has an advanced options. The first time that I did this myself, actually, it didn't give me an advanced option and it just installed it. But now I saved it on my secondary hard drive, and what I mean by that is my downloads folder is in my 8 terabyte hard drive. So that means it's on my secondary drive here, and now I can install it. So now we go to install, and then it's gonna get ready. Now we click yes to the right client. Oh, sorry. We go back. Hang on, I'm just gonna restart this install. Yes, because I did something wrong. So we go here, then we go to advanced options. Now we have the option here. So we have this little option here. Now it's gonna give us a thing, so we can go down. We can browse for a new drive. Do it on here. Make a new folder. Call it Valorant, or if you're on your C, should make a Riot Games folder. But we can make a new folder and we could call it Valorant, and it's gonna pop it in there. So that's all there is. I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.